Higalas Full Club Season 8 Elite versus Jackie Jones. Jersey number 51 Pasto Onico. Number 18 Dumeretso wala. Rebound by Nagita. Marata driven na ball. Nicos over na Marata. Pass to Nagita. Traveling violation. Klaro kayo. Posing Onico driven na ball. Onico nangita kapasahan. Onico pass to jersey number 51. 51 to Onico. Pass to number 51. Bayay ka pass number 18. Number 18. What's a nice power moves. Jersey number 18. Marata tubusing Daklag nangita kapasan. Pass to Nagita pick. Nagita pa rin. Nagita pass to defense by jersey number 51. Kusukin mo dagan no? Wow! Ay, may kasamang foul. Jersey number 51, foul by Marata.
Jersey number 13.
Lumabas. Rebound by Nagita to Ilago to Marata to boseng Daklag. Oy wala. Rebound ay ka. Uy kusukin mo dagan si Marata. Grabe mo dagan burag Sonic na. Nagita for 3. Wala. Rebound by Daklag. Ilago to Daklag. Tresikan sila ron. Ay, symbol. Bola sa Jackie Jones. Ilago, wala. Ilago pa rin. Save the ball by Ilago pa sa ilalim. Kobe pass to Daklag. Ay ka. Oh, pick ko. Nagita pick. Nagita bang. Uy, wala. Nangaligid na. Number 51 pa rin. Pass to Onico. Oy, defense. Nako ni Daklag. Ay ka. Foul. Bola. Marata ning crossover na. Marata pass to Nagita to Marata pick. Ay ka. Defense. Foul. Bola sa Team Elite.
Second personal foul.
Score 4-0 in favor of Team Elite. Jersey number 28 Onico nangay-square. Onico nakalusot. Onico pass to number 18. Ay wala. Rebound by Kobe. Ay ka, foul by jersey number 20. Boseng Daklag dribbling the ball. Boseng nangita kapasahan. Boseng pa rin. Pass to Marata to Daklag to Nagita ning crossover na Nagita. Wala. Nice rebound. Onico. Pass to number 51. Pass to Mawes. Ay wala. Rebound by Marata. Nice rebound. Marata pa rin. Pass to Ilago. Uy, sayang. Number 51. Pass number 18 to number 51. Nice pass. This is number 51. Nice teamwork. Timeout. Team Jackie Jones is score 0-6 in favor of Team Elite. Boseng Daklag pass to Nagita pa rin. Nang kapitag pasahan. Pass to Marata. Bang. Uy, foul by jersey number 51. Marata to Nagita pick. Pass to Daklag pass to Marata. Hapit ko na yung oras. Marata. Ay! Hapit na si Basir si Marata. Nice shot by Marata. Jersey number 20. Pass to Tumawes. Tumawes to number 20. Pass to Nico. Nico to Tumawes. Pick. Oy! Traveling violation by Tumawes. Ilago to Nagita pick. Nagita jump shot. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 18. Symbol. Ay, bola sa Elite.
Ball position. Number 18.
Uy! Masayang yon. Score 6-2 in favor pa rin sa Team Elite. Defense. Fast break by Tumawes. Tumawes. Ay! Block. Marata. Bang. Wala. Nakuha ni Busing Daklag. Daklag to Ilago. Ilago jump shot. Ay! Lumapas. Bola sa Team Elite.
Ball position.
Oniko dribbling the ball. Oniko to jersey number 18. Number 18 to Meretso. Oy, wala. Defense by Ilago. Ay, ka defense by. Save the ball. Oy, guwapo kayo bay. Ay, nakuha ni Marata. Nice one. Oh, grabe kayo mo depensa. Kuha na po niya. Tumawes, wala. Uy, foul. Wait, Tumawes.
Foul against number 11. Your first personal foul, 13 foul. Number 14.
Nagita. Foul by Oniko.
Foul. Foul against number 1. First personal foul, 14 penalty.
Boseng Daklag to Ilago sa gilid. Oy, what a nice shot by Ilago. Oniko nangita kapasahan, nangay screen. Oniko pa rin. Ay ka, hapit na ilog. Number 51. Pass by Tumawes. Ay, masayang. Symbol. The score 4-6 in favor of Team Elite pa rin. Lamang og 2 points Team Elite. Pusing Daklag pass to Marata. Bang! Marata 2 points. Tumawes to jersey number 20. Pass to number 51. 51. May kapasahan ng high screen. Number 51. Ay ka. Traveling. Travel. Pusing Daklag dumiretso na lang. Wala. Rebound by Ilago to Nagita kapasan. Nagita. What a nice defense by Oniko. Nagita pa rin. Marata. Ay! Wow, bigit ba? Iyata ng score na. Oniko to Tumawes for 3. Oy, wala. Ay ka, nakuha ni Marata pa rin. Marata to Daklag. Ay ka. Sayang mo nabantayan. Kira. 43 seconds in first quarter. Score 8-6 in favor na ang team Jackie Jones. Jersey number 20. Pass to number 51. Pass to number 18. Number 18. Domerecho na. Wala. Rebound by Nagita to Ilago. Ay, defense! Ay ka! Bola sa Team Elite. Ay! Bang! Muntikan, may gong ulo.
13 to shoot.
Relax lang ata.
14 to shoot.
Tapos pag itong oras na. Busing daklag. Pass to Nagita. Nagita pick. Nagita pa rin. Nagita na ngayong squid. Nagita to Ilago. Ilago 5 to shoot. Ilago, what a nice! One hand by Ilago. Gikumot ang bulan na foul by Kobe. Score 10-6 in favor na sa team Jackie Jones. Apat. 5-4. Tumawis for 3. Wala. Time for the first quarter. Score 10-6 in favor of team Jackie Jones. Time to the second quarter. John Bells. So jersey number 27. Pass to John Bells. Na defense. Nice defense. Defense by jersey number 7. Pass to number 33. Ay! Sumabay pa. Nice shot. Jersey number 27. Pass to Maraon. Patay na. Uy, wala. Number 7. Kusukin mo daga. Number 7 pa rin. Uy! Nice block by John Bills. Same ball position. Nice defense by John Bills. Number 3. Bang! 3 points. Jersey number 3. Nice shot. Score 10-11 in favor team Elite. John Bells. Pass to Maraon. Maraon to John Bells. John Bells sa lipan sa tripere. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 3. Oy, defense by. Save the ball. Maraon. Pass to Monte Alegre. Oh! Gusto mo na gano? Oh! Jersey number 7. Hapit mag-travel, oh. Jersey number 12. Pasa ilalim. Ay ka! Foul! Guwapo nga pasa, oh. Nasangit lang. Rebound by John Bells. Nice rebound. Maraon! Balik! Ay, wala man! Ay, ka, number 27. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 12. Nakuha ni Maraon. Nakuha ni jersey number 3. Number 3. Ay, ka, defense, ay! Patay na sad. Bang! Short. Rebound by John Bells. Foul by jersey number 7. Timeout. Team Jackie Jones scored 12-11 in favor team Jackie Jones.
Atakihon ta na si Muistay.
Perfect. Ay ka. Out. Symbol. Suleiman for 3. Wala. Rebound by Monte Alegre. Pass to Maraon. Pass to Busing. Oy, nice move. Jersey number 22. Number 12 to number 3. Jersey number 3. Defense by John Bells. Foul. Hindi makapaniwala si John Bells sa kanyang foul. Rebound by Monte Alegre. Monte Alegre double with two. What a nice moves by Monte Alegre. Timeout, Team Elite. Score 18 against 11. In favor Team Jackie Jones. Historia. Sabi ka depensa bay. Defense by John Bells. Monte Alegre foul. Ay Monte Alegre bay, power kayo bay. Ay ka wala.
First to the review.
Shot.
Last to the
Lifting. Oh. Technical. Symbol. Jersey number 12. Oy, lumabas. Bola, symbol.
Last 14.
Number 3. Oy, gwapo nga ko to. Giwala na. Ay, walun man to. Walun to. Jersey number 27. Nangita kapasahan. Pass to John Bells. John Bells to Busing. Number 22. Pass to Maraon sa gilid. Ay, wala pa rin. Kimala si Maraon ba? Number 12 to jersey number 3. Number 3. Pass to Suleiman. Suleiman to jersey number 12. Number 12 to Onico pass to jersey number 3. Number 3 10 to shoot na. Number 3 pa rin. Pass sa gilid. Suleiman. Ay wala. Rebound by Monte Alegre. Pass to Maraon. Sharo. Ikaupat ngayit siya. Bosing Onico, double team. Onico, way kapasahan. Paso sa liman. Na-defense si Maraon. Nakuha ni John Bells pa rin. John Bells. Paso jersey number 27. Paso Maraon. Patay na. Ay, wala! Jersey number 3. Uy, sumabay! May kasamang foul, eh. Nice shot by jersey number 3. Foul counted.
Basket goal. Foul.
Number 12. Ay, wala! Nakuha ni Monte Alegre ang bola. Monte Alegre, foul by Suleiman.
Foul by jersey number 28. First personal foul, 13 fouls. Jersey number 27, pass jersey number 9.
Maraon. Ay ka! Boss break by jersey number 7. Yes! Ay! Pilutaw kayo na. Ay, gilabay ang bola.
Jersey number 7, 1 for the lane.
3 minutes in second quarter, score 21-17 in favor pa rin sa Jackie Jones. Oy, wala! Rebound by jersey number 12. Nice defense. Suleiman to Onico pass to number 7. Ay, nice pass! Sayang! Number 7 pa rin! Traveling! Gwapo ito nga pass out. Monte Alegre.
Jersey number 13.
Travel.
Traveling violation.
Bossing Oneko. 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 Pass to Suleiman. Ay, nadipit bay! Nadipit bay! Pass back ni Monte Alegre! Monte Alegre! Nice defense! Oneko to jersey number 3. Number 3 pick. Number 3. Domerecho. Wala. Rebound by John Bells. John Bells pa rin. Pass to jersey number 27. 27. 27 to number 22. Oy! Defense by Oneko! Oy! Ay ka! Sayang. Symbol. Oy! Defense! Nice block. Ay, expensive.
Offensive goal. Rangers number 3.
Timeout. Team Elite. Score 23-17 in favor of Team Jackie Jones. Monte Alegre. Foul.
Warning for team penalty. First throw will be. Last one will be.
Rebound.
Ball positive.
Number 7. Uy, nabuhian ang bola. Nakuha ni Maraon.
Ball number 21.
John Bells. Ay ka, na-defense sa jersey number 7. Number 7, may kapasahan si number 7. Oneko. Paso Suleiman pa rin. Paso number 3. Number 3 to Suleiman. Oy, nice pass. Suleiman. Monte Alegre bago galot. John Bells, Domerecho. Oy, wala. Rebound by number 3. Oneko. Paso number 12. Ay, kapit na ba yung bola? Number 12 pa rin. Paso jersey number 7. Number 7. Ningit sa kalit. Bang! Wala. Number 7 pa rin. Oy, wala pa rin. Ay, Suleiman. Paso number 7. Oy, number 3. Pick. Number 3 to number 12. Oy, wala pa. Luha pa number 7. Oy. Wow, people luha po. Ay, shot. $23 seconds. Score 23-21 in favor of Jackie Jones. John Bells for 3. Wala. Rebound by number 3. Number 7 to Oneko. 10 seconds. Oneko. Yan yung defense by. Number 27. Monte Alegre. Wala. Monte Alegre. Ay! Baser. Monte Alegre. Nice one. He scored 23-21 in favor of Team Jackie Jones. Counted. Sure kami sa Spailo eh. Time for the third quarter. Let's go. Bacolio pass to Paila nang itagapasan. Paila nang Queen. Balik na. Oy, wa kay ko ring. Sorry. There's the number 10. Ribbon the ball. Pass to Villanueva to Busing Daklag to Villanueva. Pass to Ortez for 3. Ay, wala. Ay, nice follow-up shot. There's the number 91. Giwanhan na. Foul, baday Daklag. Bacolio. Bacolio. Ay, bola sa team Jackie Jones. Villanueva. Bang! Villanueva. Nice shot. Defense by Daklag. Bossing. Daklag Domeretson. Ay! Nice shot. Time out. 2 minutes. Paila, grabe nga depensa sa jersey number 10. Foul by jersey number 10. Grabe nga depensa bay. Paila, pass to Bacolio. Bacolio, dumiretso na. Wala. Nakuha ni Bossing. Nakuha ni Tomawes. Tomawes for 3. Wala. Rebound by Bossing. Nice one. Bacolio nintuyok. Bacolio ay wala. Bola sa Jackie Jones. Daklag. To Villanueva to Daklag. Pasa ilalim. Gitapukan. Paso jersey number 10. Wala. Rebound by Paila. Nakuha ni jersey number 10. Foul by Bossing. Foul by Bossing. Wow, punta nga paso.
First personal foul, second team foul.
Paila to Bacolio. Wala. Rebound by Paila. Nice rebound by Paila. Pass to Bacolio. Symbol.
9 to shoot, 9 seconds to shoot.
Bola. Bacolio to Paila ning crossover na. Paila dumiretso. Oy, ala. Rebound by jersey number 24 Ortiz. Nice rebound. Jersey number 10. Ring isang tres. Ay, wala. Nakuha ni Bossing. Nice rebound. Paila ning crossover. Paila side step. Paila, wala. Rebound by number 25. Foul.
Substitution.
Foul by jersey number 10.
Jersey number 91. Second personal foul.
Villanueva. Oh, 3 points. Villanueva. Wapi ka kamot. Tumawis. Babawi ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Villanueva. Foul by Bacolio. Score 36-22 in favor of team Jackie Jones.
The first personal foul, third team foul.
Bossing Daklag. Pass to Villanueva. Pass to jersey number 10. Pass to Daklag. Daklag sa gilid. Wala. Rebound by Bacolio. Bacolio to Onico to Paila. Pass to Onico. Nice pass. Nice one. Jersey number 10. Number 10, pass to Ortiz. Ortiz for 3. Bang! 3 points by Ortiz! Onico to Bacolio. Bacolio Domeretso. Uy, wala. Number. Uy, Paila. Balik na. Nice shot. Villanueva driving the ball.
15 to 0.
Pass to Bossing Daklag. Daklag pa rin. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Napit pa depensa. Number 10 pa rin. Pass to ilalim. Number 91. Uy! Grabe oh. Bali bay. Paila to Bacolio. Pass to Tomawes. Tomawes for 3. Uy, lumabas. Uy, defense. Number 6. Uy, wala pa rin. Malas bay. Daklag. Pass to number 10. Nice pass. Time out. Team Elite is score. 43-26 in favor of Team Jackie Jones. Jersey Onico. Onico, pass to Bacolio. Bacolio to Onico. Onico sa malaya, 3 points. Ay, wala. Rebound may Ortiz. Wala pa rin. Ay, ka. Jersey number 10 to Villanueva. Villanueva for 3. Short. Daklag. Ay, wala. Rebound may Paila. Nice rebound. Paila nagdali. Madipisahan ng kasugod. Ay, ka. Foul. Foul by Daklag. Warning for team penalty. Onico to Bacolio. Bacolio getting crossover. Bacolio Domeretso. Why? What a nice moves! Bacolio! Jersey number 21. Grabe defense Tomawes. Nice defense. Jersey number 10. Pass to Bossing Daklag. Pass to Villanueva. Pass to Ortiz. Ortiz, maksugit sa. Ortiz pa rin. Ortiz from number 10. Pass. Ay, nice pass. Oy, nice pass. Defense ba yun? Ortiz pa rin. Oy, wala. Ay, Ortiz pa rin. Number 10. Oy, wala. Ay, nakakuha ng foul. Nice defense. Ay, iyagyapo no? Villanueva. Palarca, pass to Ortiz. Ortiz for 3. Wala. Ay ka, na-rebound ni Tomawes. Tomawes to Paila. Paila to Bacolio. Ay! Wala. Defense by Ortiz. Bola sa team Jackie Jones. Nice defense by Ortiz.
Second personal.
Onico, Bacolio, pass to jersey number 6. Number 6 to Paila. Balik na. Ay, wala. Paila pa rin. Nakuha number 9. Ay, ka. Symbol. Team Elite. 14 to shoot. Onico. Oy, nice pass. Bacolio. What a nice pass by Onico. Nice pass. Seconds to play in third quarter. Score 46-30 in favor of Team Jackie Jones. 91. Ay, sumabay ka. Bigi pa sabay bay, tapal bay.
25 seconds.
Bacolio. Bacolio, wala. Rebound may Tomawes. Tomawes sa Bacolio. Bacolio. Bacolio, nice one.
Jersey number 85.
Ipinsa. Balik na.
30 seconds.
Villanueva. Oy, short. Rebound. Paila to.
30 seconds.
Onico pass break. Onico! Nice one. 13 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds in third quarter. Kubi. Kubi pass to jersey number 91. Ortiz for 3. Bang! Ortiz 3 points. Onico. Ay, ka, muntikan. Time for the third quarter. Score 51. 34 in favor of Team Jackie Jones. Jersey number 27. Time for the fourth quarter. Fourth quarter na ta. Marata to 27. 27 pass to Marata. Marata. Marata pa rin. Marata. Marata wala. Rebound may Paila. Nice rebound may Paila. Paila. Paila to Bacolio. Bacolio to jersey number 18. Number 18. Oy, nice mobs. Nice one, nice one.
Jersey number 13.
Woy! Foul di ay.
Already jersey number 51. The second personal foul, first team foul.
Marata, Marata. Ay, defense! Uy, ay ko. Ay ko, ay ko. Bola sa Chimilit.
Jersey number 51.
Bacolio. Bacolio to Paila. Paila, pass to Bacolio. Bacolio for 3. Bang! Bacolio! What a nice shot! Time out by Jackie Jones. He score 51-39. Lamang pa rin ang team Jackie Jones.
Rise score. Jersey number 15. 15 to shoot.
Palarka.
10 to shoot.
Nice pass.
Okay.
Ay, ay ka. Rebound by number 51. Number 51. Kusugi mo daga. Number 51. Paso number 18. Ay, kagway ka. Sayang. Sige lang, sige lang, sige lang. Ada burag luag mga short. Bang! Veron Weaver again. 3 points. Ay, defense by Villanueva. Palarka. Palarka pa rin. Palarka. Pasa Monte Alegre. Ay, ay ka. Sobraan sa kalami. Foul, foul, foul.
There's a foul, blocking foul. Substitution, foul away, jersey number 9, blocking foul.
Bacolio sa ilalim, may kapasahan. Paso number 51, number 51, paso number 18, number 18. Oy, what a nice shot! Nice shot, nice shot! Score 54-41. Lamang pa rin ang team Jackie Jones. Jersey number 91. Number 91, nangita kapasahan, pass to Palarka. Palarka ng Toyok, defense, hapit na. Nag-ilog ng bola, nag-ilog ng bola. Ay, ay ka, traveling violation.
Substitution.
Sub. Nagita to Monte Alegre.
Jersey number 4.
Onico, nang-explain. Onico. Ay, ka, defense by jersey number 91. Nice defense. Ay, nice defense. Ay, ka, defense sa football. Ay, ka. Uy. Sorry. Rebound by John Bells. John Bells nakuha ang bola. John Bells pa rin. John Bells pa rin. Nakita ka pa sa John Bells. Nagawin sa baba. Ay ka, nagita. 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 John Bells. Uy, katrasan ng kamay. Palarka. Uy, ala. Ay, nakuha niya nagita ang bola. Nagita. Wala pa rin. Number 18. Gi, wala. Nice one, nice one. Nagita for 3. Wala. Ay, ka, nag-ilog ng bola. Nag-ilog ng bola. Kana, kana, kana. Bola sa Team Elite. Number 51. Number 52. Pass! Oy, nice pass! Uy! Kagwapo nga pasa! Nice pass! Nagita! Nagita! Uy! Kabalos! Uy, wala pa eh. Foul done, foul done.
Your third personal foul, second team foul.
Ay, ay ka. Symbol, symbol.
Well, shoot goal.
Ay, di ba, ay! Ortiz! Ay, Ortiz! Wabi kamot ba? Tulong na katres, oh. Nice shot. Yes, number 10. Pass number 18. Number 18. Wabi double team. Ay, ay! Wala pa kita shot.
First throw, 1 point.
Perfect, perfect. Score 59-47 in favor pa rin sa Team Jackie Jones in last quarter. Ortiz. Ayay ka, mala. Ay, nawala. Munti ka na.
10 to shoot.
Nagita. Ayay ka, na-defense ba eh? Number 51. Ay, masayang ka yun. John Bells. Ay, ka, defense ba paila? Redondo, nagkasabi. Ay, foul. Foul by Ortiz.
First personal foul, third team foul.
Redondo. Ay, gigawas mag yun. Monte Alegre to Villanueva, defense by Paila. Grabe mo defense ang Paila bay. Oy, gigawas. Foul by Palarca. Foul.
There's a foul. Following jersey number 15, team penalty.
Ay, perfect na sa ligay. Yan na lang. Oy, perfect bay. 10, time out, Jackie Jones. Score 59-47 And lamang pa rin ang Jackie Jones. Ayka, Cortez. Ay, lumabas. Number 51. Ay, muntika na. Ay! Oy! Symbol. 15 seconds to shoot. Villanueva pass to jersey number 91. Number 91, pick, kaibing nga depensa. Palarka, number 92. Oy! Foul.
Jersey number 03, pushing foul.
Sub. Bacolio for 3. Wala.
There's a ball. Ball winning jersey number 1. Running for the penalty, running. Third personal ball, running for the penalty.
John Bells. Ay ka. Bola gid sa Picas Elite. Nice defense. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds in last quarter. Lamang og 11 ang Jackie Jones. Number 51. Oy, defense! Oy, defense yun! Defense yun bay! Na defense yun bay! John Bells. Palarka. Ay, wala. Last 55 seconds. Time out. Team Elite. Score 61-50. Lamang og 11 ang Jackie Jones. Last 55 seconds. Jersey number 18. Pass by Bacolio. Oneko for 3. Wala yun. Liwan may Bacolio. Bacolio pass to number 51. Oy! Wala bay! Bang! Wala yun. Rebound by John Bells. Atag na. Iyay ka. Huwag mo kuha. Ortez. Villanueva. Pass to Palarka, pass to Villanueva. Ay ka. Nakuha ni Palarka. Daog yun sila. Daog. Oy, wala. 10 seconds. Daog ng Jackie Jones.
Alas man!
Winner, Team Jackie Jones, 61-51. Ay, 50. Nice game.